Hello, my name is Siobhan Sweet and welcome to my garden. So today I'm going to show you a barbecue dessert. The sun is out, I don't want to be in my kitchen and I want it really simple. So I'm going to show you peaches and Prosecco, one of my favourites for the barbecue. So simple, we don't want to be cooking when we're barbecuing, we want it so easy. So when the people arrive, it's already done and we can sit and lounge in the sunshine. So come with me to the barbecue and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you need to do is get your peach ready. Now I've chosen quite a soft peach and you're just going to run your knife all the way around so you can feel the stone. Once you've gone all the way around, just give it a quick twist and it should, hopefully, come open like that. Then you're just going to pull the stone out and that's it. This next bit is the hardest bit of the dessert, it's opening the bottle. That's what takes the longest. You're going to place a peach in the centre and then you're just going to crush some raspberries up and just put them in there. A little bit of Prosecco in the centre. Woo. Just a little bit of mint for flavour. If you want to, you could add some fresh pistachios. And then we're going to fold that up. So once they're done, we're going to pop those into the barbecue. I told you we've got plenty of time to socialise with this dessert. I'm going to leave those for about 20 minutes where we sit in the sunshine, so that should be ready now. So we're just going to finish that off with some fresh raspberries around the edge. And I've got some nice creme fraiche here. Now you could use ice cream, but we're being very healthy today. So we're going to have some creme fraiche on there, a nice dollop. A little bit of pistachio on top and a bit of fresh mint. So there we have the finished barbecue dessert. How easy was that? So there's only one thing left to do now. Well, I can't let this Prosecco go to waste, can I? It'd be rude. So thank you very much for joining me and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.